Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Apple MacBook Air ever made, the 2024 MacBook Air featuring the brand new M3 chip. Apple has truly redefined what a lightweight laptop can do, combining power, portability, and innovation into a sleek 13.6-inch package that's ready for just about anything. Starting with the heart of the machine, the M3 chip is a powerhouse that brings an 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, paired with an 8-core GPU. This means you're getting blazing fast processing speeds and remarkable graphics performance without the usual bulk or noise of traditional laptops. The chip also integrates a 16-core neural engine and advanced media engines, making tasks like video editing, photo manipulation, and everyday multitasking smoother and faster than ever before. Visually, the MacBook Air shines with its 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display. This screen isn't just bigger than its predecessors, it supports over 1 billion colors, has a native resolution of 2560 by 1664 pixels, and reaches 500 nits of brightness. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing, the display delivers vibrant, sharp, and true-to-life visuals. Apple's True Tone technology also adjusts the color temperature automatically for comfortable viewing in any lighting condition. One of the standout features of this MacBook Air is its design. At under half an inch thin and weighing just 2.73 pounds, it's incredibly portable and perfect for those on the move. The sleek metal chassis in the striking midnight color gives it a premium feel, with smooth curves and a lightweight build that fits effortlessly into any bag or backpack. Apple has also made sure the MacBook Air can keep up with your day without constantly searching for an outlet. The battery life extends up to 18 hours on a single charge, which means you can stream, work, and create all day long without interruptions. Charging is easy and fast thanks to the MagSafe 3-port and USB-C compatibility, with options for quick charging if you need to power up in a hurry. When it comes to connectivity and expansion, Apple includes 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports that support charging, external displays, and data transfer at lightning speeds up to 40 gigabits per second. You also get a 3.5mm headphone jack with support for high-impedance headphones, catering to audiophiles who want premium sound quality. Speaking of sound, the MacBook Air is equipped with a 4-speaker system that supports spatial audio, delivering an immersive listening experience whether you're on a Zoom call, watching a film, or listening to music. The 3-microphone array uses directional beamforming technology to capture your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, making video calls crisp and professional. The keyboard and trackpad experience has also been upgraded. The backlit Magic Keyboard features a robust and tactile typing experience, perfect for long hours of work or study. It includes Touch ID for secure and quick access, while the Force Touch trackpad offers precise cursor control and pressure-sensitive functionality for creative tasks. Under the hood, the MacBook Air comes with 16 GB of unified memory as standard, which can be upgraded to 24 GB for those who need even more performance. Storage options start at 256 GB SSD and can be configured up to 2 TB, ensuring you have plenty of space for apps, files, and media. Wireless connectivity is state-of-the-art with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast and stable connections for all your devices. Plus, macOS offers seamless integration with your iPhone and other Apple devices, making the overall user experience smooth and intuitive. In summary, the 2024 MacBook Air with M3 chip offers a remarkable balance of performance, design, and battery life. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this laptop delivers the speed and power of Apple's latest silicon in an incredibly portable and stylish package. It's truly a game-changer in the world of ultra-portable laptops. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the best Apple MacBook Air, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews. See you in the next video.